What causes screen mirroring lag and how to fix it? Screen mirroring lag usually happens because the phone, TV, or network cannot transmit and process the video fast enough in real time. The most common causes are weak Wi-Fi, interference, overloaded devices, or high-resolution streaming. Now let's take a look at some of the fixes. First, the weak Wi-Fi signal. If your phone or TV has a weak connection, the video has to buffer constantly, causing freezes and delay. For this, move closer to the router, remove obstacles or walls, restart the router, or disconnect unused devices. Second, use 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4. 5 GHz is much faster and usually has lower latency for screen mirroring. Connect both devices to the same 5G network, avoid guest Wi-Fi networks, enable Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6 if available. Next, TV processing delay. Smart TVs often add image processing like smoothing or sharpening, which increases delay. For this, turn on game mode and disable motion smoothing, noise reduction, and AI picture enhancement. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.